Red Cat and the Golden Boat Language. English start with mysterious or adventure music, Part 1. The beginning of the story camera shows the forest and mountains, narrator calm voice. Far away in a dark forest, there lived an amazing cat named Red Cat. Not just any cat. She was a hero who searched for hidden secrets. Red Cat looking at herself in a mirror, Red Cat confidently. Today, I will find the golden boat. No one can stop me. Part 2. The journey and challenges. Red Cat walking through tall trees. Narrator. Red Cat entered the deep forest. But the journey wasn't easy. A giant snake appears from the shadows. Snake angrily. Your meat will be my dinner today. Red Cat cleverly. My meat is full of chili. Eat me if you want to burn your mouth. The snake panics and runs away. Narrator. Her cleverness saved her again. Part 3. Finding the golden boat. Shining lake. Golden boat floating. Narrator. At last, Red Cat reached the hidden lake. There was the golden boat, but guarded by a giant bird. Red Cat bravely talks to the bird. Red Cat. I don't want the gold. I just want a story to tell the children. Can I take a picture? The bird smiles and nods. Bird, you are a wise cat. Take the picture. Part 4. Return and the message. Red Cat surrounded by children. Red Cat. Kids, the real treasure is not gold. It's courage, wisdom, and kindness. The children clap for her. Narrator ending. Red Cat, the fearless hero. The story is just beginning. Text on screen. Like and subscribe if you want part 2 of Red Cat.